Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to easily verify WordPress checksums using xCloud's built-in WordPress integrity checker. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud dashboard. Next, select the website you want to check. If any of the checksums for your WordPress core or plugin files are not verified, you'll see a notice in the site overview section. Click on the check button. You'll be taken to the site integrity monitor dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of WordPress core and plugin files with mismatched or unverified checksums. Click on the arrow icon to expand the list of issues. For more information about a specific issue, click on the Details button. Now, let's look at a site where all WordPress core and plugin files are verified. Select the site, go to the WordPress section in the left menu, and then click on Integrity Monitor. Here, you'll see that all verification statuses are showing as completed and successful. And this is how easily you can scan your WordPress core and plugin files to ensure your site remains secure always. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!